Hello friends, today we will discuss question 37 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier video, then you can go in the description and watch my earlier video first. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series. In our last section we discussed question 36 of SOM series, that is this question. If you want to see this question, you can find the link in description. So now let's solve this question. Its question is very easy as compared to other questions that we solved in our last session. So here we have to find the area under the curve y is equal to sin x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. So let's first draw the graph of sin x. It's 0 by 2 pi. So its graph is like this. We have to find the area under the curve between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. So region bounded between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi is this region. So we have to find this region. So area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx, or we can take dx dy. It depends on us. So we know that x belongs to 0 to pi. So whenever we write dy dx, we draw the vertical line. So when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from y is equal to 0 and leaving from y is equal to sin x. So area is equal to integration from 0 to pi, integration from 0 to sin x, 1 into dy dx. If you can write directly here, then also there is no problem. You can write directly by knowing the limit of x. You can write here sin x into dx. But for solving harder problem, it's useful to write in detail. So integrate 1 with respect to dy, we get y. It's limited from 0 to sin x into dx. Now put the limit. So we get upper limit sin x minus 0 is going to be 0. Now integrate sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. It's limited from 0 to pi. Now take out minus outside. So put upper limit minus lower limit. So we know that cos pi is minus 1 and cos 0 is 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. This question was a smaller one, so let's discuss another question. That is question 38. So question 38 is find the area of the bounded region between y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2x. So this we can see it's a parabola. So we can draw it easily. So let's first draw the diagram. So y is equal to x square, it will look like this. And this is y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to x, we know it's straight line. So y is equal to 2x. So it will be somewhat tilted towards y axis. It will be like this. So our bounded region is this one. This is our bounded region. So now let's know the intersecting point. So for that, equate both the equation. So y is equal to x square, one equation, and y is equal to 2x is another equation. Equating both these, we get y. X square is equal to 2x. So x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Taking x common, we get x minus 2. X into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. So this is 0 and this is 2. we have found the limit x belongs to 0 to 2. So now area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx. We have taken x constant. Whenever it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line. This I have taught in my second part, how to find area. So when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from this curve. So this curve is y is equal to x square. It's leaving from y is equal to 2x. So y belongs to x square to 2x. Now area is equal to x from 0 to 2, y from x square to 2x into dy dx. Now integrate 1. Here it's nothing means 1. Integrate 1 with respect to dy. So we get it's y, limit are from x square to 2x into dx. Now put upper limit, it's 2x minus x square, upper limit minus lower limit into dx. Now integrate this term with respect to dx. So we get 2x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 2. So area is equal to 2 will get cancelled, x square minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 2. So putting upper limit, we get 2 square minus 2 cube by 3, and minus 0 is going to be 0 only. So this is 4 minus 8, 2 cube is 8 by 3. So 4 into 3, 12 minus 8 by 3, that is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. And if you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. And also if you like this video and if you want any changes, so that also you can give suggestion in the comment section. Thank you.